Hey guys, my name is Pritam and you're watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with another tech video. Now this is the second video of our newly created series of ServiceNow which is known as ServiceNow Virtual Agent, okay, or the VA. So in my last video, I have already informed you that I'm starting a new playlist or a new series of ServiceNow, which is based on the ServiceNow virtual agent. And in my last video, we have discussed why this series is important and what are the things that we are going to learn throughout this series. Also, we have checked what is ServiceNow Virtual Agent, why it is important, what are the benefits of using ServiceNow Virtual Agent, and not only that, I have also shown you how you can practically use your personal developer instance to install the different plugins of ServiceNow Virtual Agent, right? So if you missed that video, guys, I would recommend you please go and watch the video. Don't worry, I'm going to put the link in the description and also you can find the link here on your screen, right? So let's see what exciting things we are going to learn from our today's video. So just a quick recap what we have done in last video. So I have shown you how you can install the plugin inside of your ServiceNow instance. That's the com.light.cas.chatbot. That's the plugin that you need to install to enable your ServiceNow instance for the chatbot facility or the virtual agent facility. So once you install the plugin, you will have the designer interface available for you. There would be different topics, each and everything we would discuss in upcoming videos. What is the designer phase and what is the different topics and stuff like that. But we have understood different meaning of the plugins, and also very importantly, I have shown you after the configuration, after installation of the plugin, how the chatbot is working in my demo instance, right? So from that point, we will continue. Okay, so that is the reason you have to watch the last video so that you understand that whatever we have done, what are the steps that we have taken to enable the virtual agent, right? So from today's video, we will move on and we will start branding of our bot. So yes, today's video we will see the branding of our virtual agent. First, we would decide the name of the bot. We would give a name of our bot and then we would set the logo. That's very important for branding. You know that the name, logo, and also we would configure the chatting interface, right? We will check with different colors what we want. So these things are very, very interesting, setting up your virtual agent environment inside of ServiceNow. So that's what we are going to do today. We will continue from the last video and we will make our branding successful. Not only branding, after that we would work on the greetings from the bot. So for the time being, if you remember, I've shown you bot is just showing a simple message, or virtual agent showing simple message, but with the configuration of the greetings, we would be able to apply some dynamic greetings, and that would definitely create the virtual agent more attractive for the user. Okay, so that's what we are going to do, greeting setup and also fallback topic. So I would discuss that later. Make sure you watch the full video, guys, so that you can understand the concept and also you can follow with me so that you can practice it in your personal developer instance, right? So let's go to my personal developer instance and let's continue to build our virtual agent. Okay. All right. So I'm in my personal developer instance now, guys. So from here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for conversation. So conversation setup. So if you remembered, I have shown you how you can follow the guided setup for the conversational interface, right? Plugin stuff, each and everything, you can install it differently. You can follow, normally going in ServiceNow and doing stuff. But this is a guided setup. It would help you to understand these things in a more better way, more structured way. Okay, so I'm not discussing about this setup guide because I've already done in my last video. So if you missed that, do watch it. Again, I'm saying this is a series, so you have to watch it from the beginning. Okay, so now this one we have done plugins and stuff. We have installed the virtual agent plugin and the conversations plugin of virtual agent. Okay, so now if I go down here, you can see there is a section called client configuration. So that's what we are going to deal today. So client configuration, it is saying that configure and customize the service portal web client, that is our chatbot. Branding, now mobile application, also we can configure for our mobile application that we would see later in this series, and other chat experience to meet the specific needs of your company. But for the time being, in our personal developer instance, we can practice the way we want. The name you can provide the way you want. So now what we are going to do is that I'm gonna click on get started. So first we have the service portal web client. Now this is the one which is already configured by default in the service portal only. So let me show you. You know how to open service portal, right? So guys, if you have any confusion on service portal topic or service portal, understanding about service portal, how it works, I have separate video in my channel which will explain you about service portal. So please do watch if you have any question. So in the last video also we have checked out this thing. This chat is already configured. So this is what it is saying, service portal web client. So it is already configured in our service portal. So we can just mark it as complete. Next, if I scroll down now, this is the one which we are going to focus, the web client branding. So we are going to brand our virtual agent. So let's click on configure. So this is the branding you can see. So we were gonna go with the default branding. This is the conversational interfaces again. Now, Now here's the thing. If I scroll down here, there are some brandings, default branding, which is showing right now, which we will change. So now it is showing how it looks like here. So also we can check from here. This is also our bot. I mean, this is from service portal. We can open virtual agent. This is a now support, this logo, this color, each and everything can be configured. Okay. So what we can do is that we can do changes here, then we need to come here and refresh the page to see whether it is updating or not. And the best way is that there is already in the right hand side, this is available for us, this virtual agent. So if we do any changes, it would update here. Okay, so let's do the change first. So first the name, that is the chat header. It is showing now support. So we don't want that. We want Tech with Pre support or yeah, Tech with Pre. Just name it as Tech with Pre. So if I come here, you see Tech with Pre, it is updated already. Okay. Now let's change the logo. So here you can see if I click on view image, this is the logo which is showing, but I need to update the logo. So I do not have any specific logo. Let's search for any logo from the Google and then I can update. Okay, so if I click on here, open record, you can see this is the image short description of the virtual agent profile. There is the logo which I need to change. But if I need to edit, I need to click on this edit record. Now, if I click on edit record, now this looks like a much more ServiceNow. If you are working on ServiceNow, this looks like a much more ServiceNow fields are there. Now here we need to update. So let's go to Google and let's find out some picture. Okay, so I search for some AI bot PNG image. So let's see. This looks good. Let's see how it looks like. So I'm gonna save this image. Let's save it desktop in PNG format. Now let's go back to our service portal. Now from here, what I'm gonna do is that, not here. From here, I'm gonna click on update. I'm gonna choose the file, and from desktop, I'm gonna choose the file. Okay, it's done. It's the picture's name is quite long. Okay, so you can choose any picture what you like that you want to give in your virtual agent, in your chatbot. So I'm click on OK. You see it is updated now, but I'm not sure how it would looks like. So I'm going to click on update button. Make sure whenever you're doing any changes, you need to click on save so that it gets updated. Okay, now let's see our picture. If I click on view image. Okay, so we can check also in our service portal. Let's close this tab. Let's refresh it. Let's see if our image is getting updated. It is still not updated. The name is updated Tech with Pre. So let's do some other changes. In the meantime, it should get updated. It should update this image. This is the one which is gonna update. Let's play with the color now. Now this is a chat header background. This is the one we can see the green color. So if I click on that, I can choose any color. You can see it is changing on the right hand side. So based on your choice, you can choose the color. So I'm gonna go with some green type. Uh, so I'm not good at choosing color, just to show you how it is working. Okay, now header background we have changed. Now change the background. It's a white background we can see. Now this is also we can change. So you can see it is changing. So how about this one, this little reddish type? Again, you can configure in your own way, guys. This is something I'm just showing you how it is working. We can change the menu icon also. You can see menu icon, this area, it is changing the color of this area. So I need to make it some bright color so that it can get visible. Okay, that's too good. Chat header font. That's why it is written TechWithPri. So let's write it down on black. Okay. I know it's looking quite pathetic, but I hope it makes sense. Chat message, we have this message where user is sending. See, user bubble background. Whenever user is sending, it is going in this color. When the agent or the bot is typing something or bot is sending, it should be in this color. Okay, so these are the things you can also, for the link you can change the color, button background you can do. So there are so many things you can change from here, and these are the menu items. So if we click on this icon, support options, so we would get this menu. So let me show you in the service portal. Let me refresh the page. Now here you can see, if I click on this support option, this is the option it's showing right now: no agent available, caller support, send email to customer support. So here all these options are there. So we can add new options. So as per your need, as per the way you want to configure it, you can do it. So I deleted this image. So let me change this image also. Let me change the, so let me add this image on here. Did upload. It's not able to show here, but let me save it first. Now you can see this is being updated. Now our header is updated. So you can see here also it is updated. Now we want to change this one. For this one, what I already did actually. So if you go to the bot profile, click on edit record. So this is already being updated. This is the one. So now you understand, if you want to change this logo image on the top, then you need to change it from here, from chat header logo. So all you need to do, delete and then attach the image. And if you want to do the changes on here, this image, this virtual agent image, what you need to do is that you need to open the bot profile, open record, and from here you won't be able to change. You can click on the view image button. You can see I've already uploaded it, but you cannot upload it from here. You need to click on edit record. It would open the ServiceNow live profile virtual agent page. So from here you need to update the image, and once done you need to click on the update. That's it. And after a few minutes of wait, it should get updated. It should be updated. Okay. All right. So that's the branding part. I think we have done with the branding. So let me go to the configured again. Okay, now there are few other things that you need to know. This is the one, that's the delay. So you can define minimum delay between bot messages. So how many milliseconds, it is there in milliseconds. So how many milliseconds it would take between the bot to give you a reply. So it is now 500. You can increase it again as per your needs. Minimum delay before displaying typing animation. So if you see here, if I go here, let me refresh the page right now. So you can see if I type something high again, you can see this typing message. So you can say, I'm sorry, the message is coming right now because it's not set up. But here, this is the delay. It would take 1 second actually. 1 second of this doing, 1 second of delay it would happen before displaying the typing animation. So before displaying the animation, it would take 1 second. So again, if I type, you can see in 1 second it would come up. Okay, now it is good. Our bot is name is changed, our logo is changed. Also I've changed this one, it is not being updated uh, right now. So next thing is that the greetings or the welcome page. So right now if I come in the bot, let me click on end conversation. This is how you can end the conversation and a new conversation is starting. If I click on here, you can see, hi, I'm your virtual agent. Let me know how may I help you. So this greetings is the normal greetings is coming up. Okay. Now we want some dynamic greetings, some cool greetings. Okay. And I will show you what do I mean by that. So for doing that, let me close this one. I will go to the branding is done. So I'll come back to the guided setup. I'm gonna click on the branding as mark as complete. Okay. Now we can do different mobile app branding, chatbot, custom agent chat button customization that you can try. That is not important, and it is also quite complicated. Maybe I would discuss it in a different video. Once it is done, you can go back here. and client configuration is done. Now in the virtual agent, now most of the things we would discuss in the upcoming videos, like in the like topic and virtual agent designer, how you can start from the scratch and create different topics. But for the time being, what I'm going to do is that custom greeting setup. So these are the custom greeting setup is something where it is by default written what kind of behavior the bot would do in certain scenario. Okay, so let me explain you that. So I will go to the custom greeting and setup. You can see activation of either virtual agent or virtual agent light plugin is required to access. Create customized experience based on where your end user are coming from. Like define setup topics, different experience, configure a specific search profile per experience. So like that. So let me click on configure. More about setup topic and other topic details we will discuss in the next video, like I said. So for the time being, I'm gonna go to the default chat experience. And two things I'm going to change. First, if I go to the setup topics here, you can see there are some topic is there, and then there are some setup topic type, and that there and setup topic type, and there are setup topic. Now these topic are there in the virtual agent designer tab, which we would discuss later, which we would discuss in the next video. But for the time being, what I want to do is that I want to the greeting topic. I want to change the greeting topic first. Right now the setup topic name is greetings, which is there, but we have out of the box different topic like dynamic greeting topic that we can use. Dynamic greeting topic, that's it. So this is nothing but a flow that I will show you next day. That is in this flow it is defined what the bot, how the bot will behave uh, if you start the bot. Okay, so it's a greeting, that means a greeting message that would come from the bot, and that would happen how the setup topic dynamic greeting topic is configured. Again, I would explain topic each and everything of topic in the next video, so don't worry on that. Just now I'm trying to show just now I'm trying to configure the bot in better way. So I'm going to click on save. This is the one. And if I gonna save it, let me go back to the bot service portal. Let me refresh it. Now I'm going to start a new conversation. Now you'd see the change. See, hello system, it is showing me you have 25 open issues. System means as because I've logged in as a system administrator, you can see I've logged in as a system administrator. That is the reason it is automatically picking up my first name, hello system. Then it is showing me how many requests or ticket I have it's opened. See, 25 open issues. So probably it is indicating incident. If I click on that, it would show me how many incidents are open. You can see the number is actually incident and plus request, 25 total open issues that I have. So in the portal it is showing me in details currently I have this much of amount. Okay, let me help you. What's today? Can I help you today? What's your issue? Like this. So if I click on show me everything, right now it is live agent support. So that means if I'm not able to, if bot is not able to solve my problem, I can click on that and some live agent who would be there that they would solve my problem. Again, it's a demo instance. But in real instance also, this is how it works. So this is how I have shown you that this is the usefulness of the greetings topic, dynamic greeting setup topic. Again, another setting setup topic I'm gonna change. So this is the dynamic greeting one. Okay, so let's go back to the default chat experience. And this time, what I'm going to do is that fallback. So right now, let me first show you. If I type something like laptop or I need a laptop, something like that. Right now, I'm sorry, it is saying I did not understand your request because we have not trained the bot. We have not implemented NLU, natural language understanding, not topic, anything. But I can use a predefined topic called setup topic. So like we have applied for our greeting one, that's why it is showing 25 open issues. So in the same way, I will go here and there's a fallback. So fallback means if whatever user is typing, if the bot is not able to understand, then what topic would work or what would happen if bot is unable to understand. So in ServiceNow virtual agent, two type of things can happen actually. One, it can show different kind of knowledge article, and one, it can show catalog. Service catalog, you have already know. If you have any confusion, I have a different video on service catalog which is explained. So right now what we are expecting being a user, if I type I need a laptop, it should open the laptop catalog in front of me so that I can get the link from here in the bot and I can purchase a laptop or I can order a laptop. Okay, so now this is the thing. If there is no topic here, So it would automatically fall back to which topic? To fallback topic currently it is configured, but I'm going to change. Again, each of this topic I would explain in the next video. Don't worry. So I'm going to choose search fallback topic and that's it. Again, I'm just trying to show you how advanced our bot can work. Okay, it is done. So I'll come in our service portal. Let me refresh. Let me refresh the service portal page. So for in the new conversation, I will again get the message. So I'll type now, I need a laptop. Now see the changes. You see, there is a option. It is showing me that this is a laptop, something called loaner laptop. Did you break your laptop? Maybe lost, need a temporary loaner. We can help in order to take advantage. What we can do? I can click on request this item. Let me click on request this item. When do you need it? So maybe there is some option asking, but it is not being configured. Again, it's a demo instance. Let me skip this option. One day was selected as the value of how long do you need for it. Do you want to proceed with this value? Yes. Add attachment? No, I don't want to add any attachment. All right, you're all set. Shall I submit the request? I'll say yes. And see, with the help of this, by automatic, our request would get submit for the laptop. See, this is the request RITM number. You know RITM, this is the request item number, and it is showing my request is booked. Isn't it interesting, guys? So this is the usefulness of the fallback topic. Okay, so again, we would understand more about topic in detail, then you would understand this thing, how this topic is working in a detail, in a better way. Right now, I hope you understand what is the meaning of fallback. So see how this powerful this bot is. The bot can log the request behalf of you. Our TechWithPri bot is pretty intelligent. This is all about branding, custom greetings, and also about the fallback. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. In the next video, we would start exploring about topics, what topics, how you can create topics, and what are the existing topics. We would understand each and everything. So make sure you watch the whole series to clear it out, your concept. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you have any doubt, come to the comment section. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that it can reach out to many people. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Take care.